Alice Valentine's gift, a heart full of respect. On the morning of Valentine's Day, 12-year-old Alice stepped outside her little countryside home, feeling the crisp breeze against her cheeks. The scent of blooming roses from her mother's garden filled the air, and the sound of birds chirping made her heart light. Alice loved nature, its beauty, its peace, and the way it made her feel connected to the world. But today was not just about appreciating nature, it was about showing love and respect to people, animals, and the environment. Every Valentine's Day, she made it a tradition to give gifts, not chocolates or cards, but something more meaningful. This year, Alice had a special plan. She wanted to give the perfect Valentine's gift to the people and creatures around her. Alice started her day by visiting her elderly neighbor, Mrs. Thompson. The old woman lived alone, and most people in the village were too busy to visit her. Alice had often seen her sitting by the window, gazing outside with a longing look in her eyes. Knocking gently on the wooden door, Alice stepped inside with a smile. "Happy Valentine's Day, Mrs. Thompson," she said cheerfully. The old woman's face brightened. "Oh, Alice, dear, how lovely of you to visit." Alice placed a bouquet of wildflowers on the table and sat beside her. "I wanted to spend some time with you today." Mrs. Thompson's eyes glistened with tears. "That means more to me than you know." For an hour, Alice listened to the woman's stories about her youth, about love letters written by hand, about dancing under the moonlight. Alice realized that respect wasn't just about being kind. It was about listening, about making people feel valued. After leaving Mrs. Thompson's house, Alice walked towards the forest where she often played. She noticed something that made her heart sink: trash scattered along the path. Candy wrappers, plastic bottles, and even old papers littered the ground. "This isn't right," Alice muttered to herself. She rolled up her sleeves and started picking up the garbage, placing it into a bag she always carried in case she found litter. The forest had given her so much: its fresh air, its shade, its beauty. It was only right to give back by keeping it clean. As she worked, she saw a small squirrel struggling to get out of a plastic cup. Carefully, Alice freed the tiny creature. "There you go, little one," she whispered, watching it scamper away. Nature deserved respect too. If people didn't take care of it, who would? Alice's last stop was the town park. She saw children playing, couples holding hands, and families sharing picnics. There was laughter and warmth in the air. She took out small paper hearts she had made, each one carrying a simple message. Respect others. Respect nature. Love makes the world beautiful. She handed them out to people she passed, hoping they would carry the message forward. One little girl read it aloud and smiled. "I'll take care of nature." An old man nodded. Respect is the best Valentine's gift of all. As the sun began to set, Alice sat on a bench, watching the sky turn shades of pink and red. She had given no chocolates or expensive gifts that day. Yet, she felt warmth in her heart, knowing she had made a difference. Valentine's Day wasn't just about love between people, it was about love for the world, for nature, for the animals, and for the kindness that made life beautiful. And that, Alice knew, was the most precious gift of all. True love isn't just about gifts and words, it's about respect. When we show kindness to people, care for animals, and protect nature, we create a world filled with harmony and balance. Just like Alice, let's make every day a Valentine's Day by spreading love through our actions. Because the greatest gift we can give is a heart that respects and cherishes all life.